In the next question type, you're shown a picture and you need to write one or more sentences that describe the picture. This is the task. What are the testing in the exam is whether you can describe a picture using descriptive language. You have to describe um, the picture, not say like this photo describes. Those words are common for all the photos that you're going to see. So don't start your description using that. Instead, directly go into describing the photo. That's important. Then you also need to use appropriate punctuation. That's They're testing your punctuation skills, and as a general rule, the more words you use to describe the photo, the more marks you get. It doesn't matter how many sentences you use, as long as you have at least one, they will count the number of words that you use to describe the photo and then put a score to it. Now, how do you solve the question? See, one photo there is a saying that a photo describes 1,000 words. That's true. So in this photo, you can see there are a lot of things going on. So if you bisect the photo having this lines, then the main character should be somewhere in the middle. These are the people, that is, the people that are in the photo are the main characters. You can say, think about this photo, try to relate it to any previous experience that you have had. Everybody went to the beach. So this is a beach, basically. Try to remember any family who were out in the beach enjoying their holidays. Maybe they try to explain the photo using made up stories like that. So probably these are the kids of this mother. This is the mother, and she has three kids who she took out on a holiday to a beach. Um, you could also describe the sky there, blue sky, deep blue sky, and also it was quite a sunny day, which is evident from the photo. You could also talk about the waves, which shows that there is wind that is going on. You could describe that. There are so many things that you can talk about the photo. So keep on typing. You get about a minute to describe the photo, which is not a long time, but use approximately 10 seconds to analyze the picture and then start typing your response here. So always try to make sure that you have the sentence. The sentence describes the image's main characters, because that's the main part of the photo, and these are the other backgrounds are also interesting things to write if you have the time. So, for instance, what does this descriptive language mean? So you could use bright, sunny day. You could type that bright, comma, sunny day. It was daytime, obviously, because there is a lot of light. So you could say bright, sunny day here. Bright is an adjective. Sunny is another adjective, which both of which describes the day. It was a bright day, it was a sunny day. So those words give you a picture, draws a picture of the image. If you didn't see the image, if you only read the sentence which reads it was a bright sunny day, you could immediately picturize a very bright day, which is similar to the one which is shown in the picture. So using this kind of adjectives and maybe adverbs like that, it will help you describe the image using descriptive language. You can do some research on Google on how to use descriptive language and how to describe pictures, and do some practice using Google Image. So this will be very helpful with you for you. But one thing to note is that if you don't know how to describe a picture, it's completely okay to communicate that in your response. So but you need to be very specific to the question. But for now, we are not going to expand on that part of the response. We will have a separate video to describe your strategies when you don't know how to describe a photo. Yeah, that's about it. Do some practice, and you should be able to uh, nail this question quite easily. But be careful before you type in your response. Spend some time to analyze the photo, what is in the photo, and come up with your own version of the story. It doesn't have to be exactly correct, because you're not given the context. You're not expected to know what is happening in the photo, but you can make up your own story.